Okay, this is a story I'm gonna tell you using magic. When I was 6 years old, a magician came up to me and told me, "Here, take this deck of cards and cut the deck in half." So I cut the deck in half. Then he told me to look at the card that I cut, the 8 of Hearts. And then he said, "Remember that card." And then he told me to finish the cut. So then I finished the cut 3 or 4 times. That's what he told me. So then I cut it 3 or 4 times. So in this case, I cut it 3 times. It doesn't matter if you want to cut it 4 times. You can cut it 4 times. So, and then he told me to flip over the deck. Flip over the deck. So I totally flipped the deck over. And then he told me to keep cutting the deck until I tell you to stop. So then I keep cutting the deck again and again and again and again. And eventually he told me to stop. So I stopped here. Okay, and then he predicted that the 6th card from the top of the deck will be mine. So then I go ahead and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 card. Please subscribe. I think the subscription box is right there. Subscribe, please.